Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish on the monthly. I still think this is going to be a big WXY. I think this right here is an ABC of wave Y because the wave Y should be three waves just like the wave W, three waves up, the wave X, three waves down, should be an ABC of wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up right here is a wave 1 of wave C. I think this push down right here is a wave 2 of C. Kind of looks to me like the wave 2 is already over. We're going to have to wait and see, but if it is over, then this should be the beginning or the very early stages of a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which would be a wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C, which is a wave C of wave Y. Because a wave A and a wave C of wave Y should be a 5-wave trend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this first push down to me definitely looks like a trend. Well, first of all, this 5 waves up, I think is a wave 1. Five waves down, wave A. 1, 2, 3 up, wave B. Now, whether or not this wave 2 is over or not, I mean, to me, it looks like it's over. We definitely got a very impulsive move up. We got to break a structure. It did not, the wave C did not take out the low of wave A, but that does not have to happen. It doesn't always take out the low. If this really is the end of a wave 2, then this should be going up now for a wave 3 and starting a brand new uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, this is definitely very impulsive up right here. I would obviously label this as either a wave A or a wave 1. I'd be looking at this move down as either a wave B or a wave 2. And then I would try to go long at the end of this correction, and I would want to learn and earn at the same time whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. And we definitely can tell the difference between a wave C and a wave 3, especially if you know how to read the markets. So I will definitely be looking to go long at the end of this wave B and learn and earn at the same time whether it's a C, which will look like that, or whether it's a 3, which will just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, some of the dollar pairs look like the correction is already over, some of them don't. I'm starting to think that this really is a wave A and that this move up is actually a wave B, and that possibly it's going to go down again, maybe to the 50 or the 61.8 to make a wave C, before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So whether it actually does go down and make this proper ABC, which would be either a B or a 2, I don't really know. But if it does go down, it's going to make for a much clearer setup. If it doesn't, then I would just hold on to any longs because there is a possibility that it just keeps on drifting up for here. So, like I said, this first push up is either an A or a 1, this should be a B or a 2, and then it should go up for a 3 or a C. Either scenario, we should be able to tell the difference between the 3 and the C, no problem. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.